Use the substitution method to solve for linear system. X equals 2y. X minus y equals 9. So equation A, equation B. We're going to substitute x for 2y. So x equals 2y. X minus y equals 9. 2y is going to take the place of x. 2y minus y equals 9. Y equals 9. So substitute back into A for the 9. X equals 2 times 9. X equals 18. My ordered pair is 18, 9. So equation A is going to be x plus 2y equals 5. Equation B will be negative x plus y equals 1. Elimination, so that means that you're going to have to find the opposite of a variable. In this case, we're going to look at x's because one is a positive, one's a negative, so we know that they will eliminate when we add them. Let's go ahead and set this up. X plus 2y equals 5. Negative x plus y equals 1. So I'm going to add these together. X minus x is 0. Let's go away. 2x plus y equals 3y. 5 plus 1 equals 6. I'm going to solve for y. Divide 3 by both sides. Y equals 2. So now we're going to take this and we're going to substitute it back into back into B to find x. Negative x plus y equals 1. Negative x plus 2 equals 1. Minus 2 minus 2. Negative x equals negative 1. Please remember that this is a negative 1x equals negative 1. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. X equals 1. Your solution is going to be 2, 1, 2 as an ordered pair. Okay, a group of 16 friends pull their money together and decide to buy concert tickets to see either Taylor Swift or Ed Sheeran. Ticket prices for each concert were $100 and $150 respectively. As luck would have it, all the boys bought tickets to see Taylor Swift. All the girls bought tickets to see Ed Sheeran. How many boys went to see Taylor Swift? If the group's total ticket cost was $2,050. Let's underline what's important. And there's 16 friends. The cost of the tickets. And then the total cost that was spent. Now, the question it's asking us is, how many boys went to see Taylor Swift? So it's asking us for the number of boys. It's not asking us for the solution, it's asking us for the number of boys. So let's assign our variables. X equals the number of boys. Y equals the number of girls. Let's make the equations. X plus y equals the total number of friends, 16. 100x plus 150y equals $2,050, which was the total cost of the tickets, even though we don't know how many were purchased. We're going to go ahead and do elimination. So in this case, we're going to multiply to get rid of the x's and solve for y. So I want to multiply by negative 100. The reason why that is because this is a positive 100x, and so that negative will get distributed into each term. So what does that look like? Negative 100x plus negative 100y equals 1,600. I want y'all to put this you don't necessarily need to write it like this. The reason why I'm writing it like this is so you can see what's happening with the negative when it gets distributed. So this is my new equation A. Equation B, 100x plus 150y equals 2050. Oh, I've left out the negative here. Now we're going to add. X's go away. 100y plus 150y equals 50y equals negative 1600 minus 2050 equals 450. I have more positive than negative, that's why my answer is positive. 50y equals 450, divide both sides by 50, y equals 9. I'm moving it up. So let's substitute back into the original equation. So now we're saying x plus y equals 16. Because I want the number of boys, so this is what it is asking for, the number of boys. X plus 9 equals 16, negative 9, x equals 7. This y went right here. Okay, that's where it went. And so the total number of boys that went to see Taylor Swift is 7. And this is my solution. Number 10, graph the solution to the system of inequalities. Alright, so the first one is going to say y is greater than or equal to x minus 5. The second one says x is less than negative x. So let's use purple for the first one. This is going to be a solid line. And then let's use blue for the second one. And this is going to be a dashed line. And then where we shade will be the solution. So graph the solution to a set of inequalities. What I know about the first equation is that my y-intercept is at 0, 0, and my slope is 1 over 1. And it's a positive slope. So let's just go from there. You know it's going to be solid. And because the inequality says everything is greater than or equal to, we're going to shade everything to the left. Okay, so then looking at the second equation, y is less than x. The origin is the y-intercept. The slope is negative 1 over 1. So because this is a negative 1, it's negative 1 over 1. So let's connect everything so it looks like it's on the slope. Let's see. So it's going to be a dotted line. And the solution will be the area of overlap. So we're going to go ahead and shade everything to the left. That makes my solution area right in here. So let's highlight it. This entire overlap right in here, all that is my solution area. Okay? And that will be number 10. Now, let's look at number 11. Determine whether negative 3, 5 is a solution to the system of linear equations. In this case, all you have to do is substitute x and y into the equation. And you have to come up with true or false, true or false. Let's do equation A and then equation B. So, negative 3 plus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 5. 2 is greater than or equal to negative 5. This is true. Okay, the second one, y is less than negative x, so 5 is less than negative 3. 5 is less than 3. This is false, so this is not a solution. They both have to be true for it to be a solution. Okay, number 12, perform the following matrix operations. All you're doing is adding each element to each other. So the 1 goes with the 0. Let's build a matrix operation so you can see what it looks like. 1 plus 0, negative 3 plus 5, 0 plus negative 4, and 2 plus 1. And then our solution, the matrix will be the same size. 1 plus 0 is 1, negative 3 plus 5 is 2, 0 plus negative 4 is negative 4, 2 plus 1 is 3. That's a solution for number 12. Number 13, now you're going to perform the matrix operation of subtraction, which means that you're going to distribute the negative to each element to the right. So let's build the matrices. And negative, so let's change the sign. What I like to do is just change the sign altogether. Right? So we've changed all the signs. Negative 5, 1 is 0. 4 plus 3. 3 plus 1, negative 1 minus 2. My solution will be the matrices of the same size. I'm going to get negative 5, 7, 4, negative 3. And that is your review. Have a nice weekend.